What's up guys, welcome to What is the Money YouTube channel. My name is Leo and on this channel I'm growing a £50 account into 10k in 6 months. And like I promised before, I'll be showing you guys my progress every single week. So let's just get into it. What you guys are seeing right now is my MyFXbook account where everything is being tracked on. As you guys can see, this is a real account, alright, on one of the best brokers in the world, IC Markets. And this is the track record verified, and this is the trading privilege. If you don't know what MyFXbook is, MyFXbook is where any trader can register and connect their broker, and they can be verified. So if they want to show that they're credible, if they want to show that they're a good trader, they can always share their performance with anyone and they can see that it's verified. So if you have someone out there that is trying to, let's say, tell you that they're a good trader, that asking you to give them money to trade for you, which you shouldn't do anyway, ask them, can I see your MyFXbook and see your track? Because you want to make sure that your money is in good hands. The pound grew by 42%, right? 42%, which is more than I was supposed to make this week, right? But I went over. And let's go through a couple more stats. So my account right now is on £71. So from 50, I grew the account to £71, right? And in here, in terms of trades, what did I do? This week, I did 42%. So overall profit, £21.20. And the profitability, right? So out of 135 trades, I won 100. Now, 135 trades is too much, right? A good trader will not be taking 135 trades on a week, right? I'll be explaining you guys in the next video what happened here, why I end up over trading. The 3 top mistakes that you should have been doing, especially whilst trying to grow a small account. So just to make it clear, 135 trades is too much, which means I did, in one of the days, I did overtrade, right? But that's for the next video. But out of the 135, I won 100 of those trades, right? Which represents 74%, okay? And of the loss, 35, which represents 26%, right? The average win was 89 pips. Average loss was 15 pips, as you guys can see here, and this was the average loss. I was using 0.01 per position, okay, which I'll be talking about what lot size should be using on different account size, right? Now, this is some of the trades that I did take. I did trade gold this week. However, I do not recommend you to trade gold on the small account, which I did, but from now ahead I'll be not touching gold on this account because I know how much of a risk it really is. If one gold trade goes wrong, right, even though I'm using a stop loss, gold is very heavy. Just traded 3 pairs this week. I did trade GBP AUD also this week, which I'll tell you guys a story on the next video what this pair did to me and how I nearly blew my account because of this pair, right? But that's for the next video. As you guys see, this is overall how I'm doing. My account is well over where it's supposed to be. I'll show you guys my compound wealth plan, okay? So I started on the 4th, right? So I was supposed to just make £2.10. I did that. Second day, £2.19. It was fine, the account was fine. Now on the 3rd day, right, something happened, right? Something happened, and I will be showing you guys in the next video, okay? But then on the 4th day, I ended up recovering of the mistakes that I did on the 3rd day, right? And then the account was fine, back to where it was supposed to be. Then on the 5th day now, okay, on the 5th day, the account was supposed to be at 61, but actually is on 71, as you guys saw, which means I'm a couple of days ahead. I'm like 1, 2, 3, basically 4 days ahead of my target, okay, which is good as long as you make more than if you make more than you're supposed to make, it's fine. But if you lose more than you're supposed to lose, then it's quite dangerous, okay? But there's a couple mistakes that I did, I did commit a certain rules that I didn't respect, and that made me nearly once more blow my account, and I'll be sharing that with you guys on the next video. So my account right now is on at 72, which means next week really all I need to make is just £2.58. So I just need to continue going through my target, but my account is well over, which is great. Mistakes, it's just to show you guys that trading, there is things happening throughout the day, and you need to have control of your emotions and be disciplined, and it doesn't matter what level of experience you have, it will happen. Most important, bounce back, adapt, overcome, and win, right? And learn with the mistakes. Trying to be as much as transparent that I can be, show you that you can do. You really need to have a plan, right? And make sure that you do follow it. On the next video, I'll be going through the 3 major mistakes that you should avoid in trading, especially on a small account. So this is all for today, guys. This is the update. I'll see you guys next week. Take care.